So we did take a beautiful stop loss in the first morning trade, and now we are looking to take our pre-New York trade. So how do we work around this? If you look carefully at the area that price just liquidated us on, right? Just carefully look at this area. This is an area of valid resistance and support, and I'll explain what happened here. But let me remove this and analyze properly. So if we remove all the drawings and I draw a simple straight line here, you will realize that price is basically hovering around that level. Okay, price is stagnant here, and this is good because this gives us the certainty that every move below this level was just a fake out. All right, so this is the area of interest. The move that happened here, let me just show you. This was just price creating momentum and another ascending trend line. All right, so that now price can have strength to continue moving to the upside. All right, initial target is here, and then secondary target would be at the 400 zone, right? So we would have 30 here and then 400 here. These are the levels for today, but how would we analyze this if we were actually to take this trade? So I would erase this. I would set my trend line right here because this will mark my level of entry, and then I would set the uptrend line, all right here. Okay, this is just for you to see how I would actually analyze this. And my focus for this trade would be taking the trade exactly where it is, but having my stop losses around this level. Okay, so if I would take the trades, I would put my stop loss here. I would take the trade approximately here, and my targets will be where I just showed you. So my targets will be around the psychological levels. Initially going to be at 4,300, which is here, and then 4,330, and then 4,400. all right, I hope that you do learn something from this video. It's gonna be very short and I'll keep it that way. Should you have any questions, please like and subscribe. I will also make sure that I do leave the links in the description to the video for those that are going to watch it on YouTube, but for those that are going to get it on Telegram, you might not have these descriptions. Let me just remove the noise. Like I always say, there are things that you don't necessarily have to have on your chart because you can already psychologically see that it's there. I will just have to make a few adjustments, remove this and this as well, and we would have a 1 to 15 risk and reward ratio by trade, which I will also send you. Okay, so this is TP, and the final TP is exactly where you see price. Entry zone in case price goes down. In case price doesn't go down below, you can enter exactly where it is and make sure that your stop loss is around the 4,252. Okay, remember, like I said, this line is just to show you exactly what price is doing. You don't have to have it on your chart. All right, you don't have to have it on your chart. And in case you are looking for a secondary trend line, you can also have this as a secondary trend line, and you can have this as a primary trend line. Okay, so reaction would be somewhere around the inclination of both these trend lines. Enjoy the trade. See you after TP.